Okay, so what you're going to do is you can see I actually typed right here down the side. I typed in the letters Cushion for cushion. That was one of my most challenging words out of the words of 20 list that we are going to do for the O, and a U sound, the oo or sound. And you can see I changed my word over here to a strike through, and I did that actually just by going to format text, and I changed it to strike through. See, when I don't change, when I actually unclick it, then it takes it away. But if I do it again, it'll put it back. You see that? Okay, so that's how you would actually do that. So these are my words I chose for my most difficult words, or ones maybe I don't remember so often, and I'm not exactly sure what to do. So I would take those, and all of these letters on the digital copy are already filled in. But look at this. If I highlight them, I can change the letter. And that one I'm going to keep it as a U, or as an F. Now I'm going to put a U. Then I'm going to put an L and another L. And I'm going to take one of these yellow boxes and ring my word full. You can drag the sides in a little bit here. And that helps my word pop out. And then I can go over to my list, highlight it, go to Format, Text, strike through, and cross it off. Okay? So this just gives you, it gives you mouse practice. It gives you practice using text and highlighting letters and using your keyboard to make sure that you hold shift for the capital letters and making them capital. You could get through the whole list and then have all of these yellow rings around the words that you put in. If you do a drop down here and not highlight the letter, it's going to show you different options of your word search table, and you don't want to change the table option. So you can just click off of that if you get it, and then just click and hold to highlight a letter instead. Okay? All right, good luck. Of course, you could also do this in your notebook and setting up a grid. Let's see, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 by 12 grid, I think. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. Yeah, 12 by 12 grid. So you'd have to do 12 this way and 12 that way, and then put your letters in accordingly. When you did one in your notebook, though, I would do one where I put my words in the grid first before I filled it in with letters. Okay. So I'm sure you've made word searches before in third grade or second grade. And if you don't want to do it in your notebook, you can do it here digitally and just practice your words and practice your clicking and typing skills and your highlighting skills. All good things to practice when we're doing our word work. Okay. Thanks, guys.